Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. So happy to be here with you all today.
Paul, today we have a super important topic. It's all about learning English, but doing it smartly.
Yes, no more wasting time, right? We want to help you use your time to really grow.
Exactly. Before we start, please, if you like our episodes, remember to share this podcast with your friends.
Yes, share it with everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Channel. It helps us a lot. And, of course, give us a like. Thumbs up.
Thank you. We love your support. Okay, Paul, let's dive in. Our topic today is don't waste your time. Learn English smartly.
Emily, sometimes learners try very hard, but they do things that don't help much. They feel busy, but it's not real progress.
Oh, I know exactly what you mean. It's like, imagine you want to clean your room, but you just move things around, not really cleaning. You feel busy, but the room is still messy.
Oh, that's a perfect example. One big time waster is translating everything.
Ah, yes. Some people try to translate every single word they see or hear. They stop, open a dictionary, translate, then go back. It's so slow.
It is, and it breaks your focus. Imagine you are listening to a song. If you stop for every word, you lose the rhythm, you lose the story. It's better to try and understand the main idea. If you don't know one word, maybe you can guess it from the other words.
That's a great tip. Don't translate every word. Try to understand the general meaning. Another common one is watching too much without speaking.
Oh, this is a big one. People love to watch movies, TV shows, YouTube videos, and this is good, but if you only watch and never speak, you don't practice your mouth.
Right. It's like learning to swim by only watching other people swim. You need to jump in the water. You need to speak, even if it's just repeating a few sentences.
Yes, your mouth needs to get used to the sounds. It's like a muscle. If you don't use it, it gets weak. So watching is good, but speak.
And one more common time waster, always reviewing instead of practicing.
What do you mean by that, Emily?
Well, some learners spend hours and hours reviewing grammar rules, reading notes, looking at word lists. And this is okay, but they never use the English. They review, but they don't practice speaking or writing.
Ah, I see. It's like studying for a test, but never taking the test. You need to apply what you learn. Using English is practicing English.
Exactly. So friends, remember these common time wasters: translating everything, watching too much without speaking, and always reviewing instead of practicing. Try to avoid them.
So, Emily, if those are the things we shouldn't do, what should we do? How can we use our time wisely?
Great question, Paul. My first tip is to make a short daily routine.
A routine? Like a plan for every day?
Yes, but a short one, not a long, complicated one. Maybe just 10 or 15 minutes. For example, every morning I will listen to one English song. Or every evening I will say 3 English sentences.
That sounds easy to follow. Not too much pressure. Small steps every day.
Exactly. Consistency is key. It's better to do a little English every day than to do a lot only once a week.
My next tip is to practice shadowing.
Ooh, shadowing. Can you explain what that is, Paul?
Sure. Shadowing is when you listen to English and speak at the same time, like an echo. You listen to a short sentence and you try to repeat it immediately with the same rhythm, the same pronunciation. You are the shadow of the speaker.
Wow. That sounds very helpful for speaking and listening. It's like practicing speaking with a guide.
Yes, you can use short audio clips or even sentences from our podcast. Just pause and repeat. Try to sound like us.
Yes, try to sound like us. Another great tip is to listen to English during daily tasks.
This is brilliant. We all do daily tasks, right? Like walking, cooking, cleaning.
Yes, instead of listening to music in your language, put on some English music or a simple English podcast like ours or a short English story. You don't need to focus 100%, just let the sounds enter your ears.
It's like a background bath for your ears. Your brain hears the sounds even if you are not actively listening. It helps you get used to the rhythm of English.
And my last tip for this section, focus on real-life vocabulary.
What is real life vocabulary?
It means learning words that you will actually use in your daily life. Don't learn super rare words from old books. Learn words for your home, your family, your job, your hobbies, the things you do every day.
Ah, I understand. If you learn words about food, you can use them when you go to the supermarket or cook. If you learn words about your job, you can use them with your colleagues. It makes learning more useful and fun.
Right. So use your time wisely by making a short daily routine, practicing shadowing, listening to English during daily tasks, and focusing on real-life vocabulary.
Emily, now let's talk about some smart habits. These are things you can do regularly to learn English even faster.
Ooh, I love smart habits. My first one is to set small goals.
Small goals are the best. Why small?
Because they're easy to achieve. If your goal is, I will speak English perfectly in 1 month, that's too big. You will feel bad if you don't reach it. But if your goal is, this week I will learn 5 new words, or tomorrow I will watch 1 English video for 5 minutes, that's easy.
And when you reach a small goal, you feel good. You feel like, yes, I did it. This makes you want to do more.
Exactly. It gives you motivation. My next habit is to use repetition in context.
Repetition in context. Can you explain that?
Sure. Repetition is good, but just repeating a word 100 times alone is not very helpful. You need to repeat words in sentences, in real situations.
Ah, so not just book, 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 but this is my book. I like to read a book.
Yes. Or if you learn the word happy, don't just say happy, happy, happy. Say, I feel happy today. My friend is happy. Use it in a sentence that makes sense. This helps your brain remember better.
That's a great way to make words stick. My next smart habit is to record your voice.
This one can be scary for some people.
Yes, it can be a little strange to hear your own voice, but it's so helpful. Record yourself speaking a sentence or even just saying, hello, my name is. Then listen back.
Why is it helpful to listen to yourself?
Because you can hear your pronunciation. You can hear if you are saying the words correctly. Maybe you think you sound like a native speaker, but when you listen, you realize, oh, that word sounds a little strange. It helps you improve. It's like having a free teacher.
That's a fantastic idea. And my last habit for this section, speak out loud every day, even for a few minutes.
This is so important, even if you are alone.
Yes, talk to yourself. Describe your day, what you're doing, what you see outside the window. I am walking. I see a blue car. The sun is shining. Just say it out loud.
It makes your mouth and tongue practice. It builds muscle memory for speaking English. It's like exercise for your English muscles.
Exactly. So, for smart habits, set small goals, use repetition in context, record your voice, and speak out loud every day.
Okay, Emily, it's time for our daily challenge. This is a small, easy step you can take today.
Yes, a tiny step, but a powerful one. Are you ready, listeners?
Our challenge for you today is to repeat 3 sentences from this episode
Oh, that's so simple. Just pick any 3 sentences that Emily or I said today.
Yes. For example, you can repeat, "Don't waste your time," or "Speak out loud every day," or "I am Emily."
Yes, anything. Or if you prefer, you can speak for 1 minute about your morning using simple English.
Oh, that's a good one too. Just describe what you did this morning. I woke up, I drank coffee, I listened to Mr. English Channel.
Perfect. So choose one. Repeat 3 sentences from this episode or speak 1 minute about your morning using simple English. Do it today. It will make a difference.
Emily, this is a very important point. Many people think they need to repeat things many, many times to learn.
Yes, they just say the same word over and over without really thinking.
Exactly. But it's much better to repeat less, but with full focus.
Can you give an example?
Yes. Imagine you are trying to learn a new phrase, like, "How are you?" You can say it 10 times quickly without thinking, or you can say it just one time slowly, thinking about the sound, the rhythm, how your mouth moves.
Ah, I see. So the quality of the repetition is more important than the quantity.
Precisely. We often say 10 minutes of lazy repetition equals 1 minute of focused shadowing.
Wow, that's a powerful idea. So it's about being present. When you are learning, really be there. Don't let your mind wander.
Yes, if you are learning a new word, look at the word. Say it slowly. Listen to how it sounds. Think about its meaning. Be 100% focused, even for a short time.
So remember, friends, repeat less, but with full focus. Be present when you learn.
Emily, how many times have we learned a new word and then completely forgot it the next day?
Oh, too many times, Paul. It happens to everyone.
Yes, and that's because we don't use the new words. So our next tip is use new words on the same day.
This is so smart. It makes the word real for you.
Exactly. When you learn a new word, don't just write it in a notebook. Use it 3 times today.
3 times? How can I use it?
You can write it in a sentence. For example, if you learn umbrella, write, "I need my umbrella today." Or speak it. Say to a friend, "It's raining. I need my umbrella." Or even post it. Maybe send a message to a friend saying, "I just learned the word umbrella."
That's a fantastic idea. It makes the word active in your brain. It's not just a word on a list. It's a word you used.
Yes, make it real. The more you use a new word soon after learning it, the more likely you are to remember it forever.
So try it. Learn a word, use it 3 times today. Write, speak, or post it.
Emily, this is probably one of the biggest problems for many learners. They wait and wait and wait to speak.
Yes. They say, oh, my English is not good enough, or I will speak when I know more words, or I will speak when my grammar is perfect.
And this is a trap, a big trap. You don't need perfect English to start speaking.
No, you absolutely don't. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
Yes, we make mistakes all the time. The important thing is to start now, mistakes and all.
If you wait for perfect English, you will never speak. Speaking is how you learn to speak better. It's how you practice.
Think of it like this. If you want to learn to ride a bicycle, do you wait until you are an expert at balancing? No. You get on the bicycle, you fall a few times, and then you learn.
That's a perfect analogy. So don't be afraid. Your mistakes are your teachers. They show you what you need to improve.
So please, 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 start speaking now. Don't wait for perfect. Just open your mouth and try.
Paul, the internet is full of information, right? And sometimes it's a lot.
Yes, you can find many, many tips to learn English. Some are good, some are not.
Our last important point is be careful with magic tips online.
What are magic tips?
They are things that promise you amazing results with very little effort, like learn English in 7 days or become fluent in 1 month with this secret method.
Oh, those. They sound very tempting, right? Like magic.
Yes, they do, but most of the time they are not real. Not every English hack helps.
Learning English takes time and effort. There's no secret shortcut, no magic pill.
Right. The best way to learn is to focus on daily progress, not shortcuts.
Yes, consistent small steps every day are much more powerful than waiting for a magic tip that never comes.
So if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Focus on the simple, practical things we talked about today.
Do a little English every day. Be consistent. That's the real magic.
Wow, Paul, what a great episode. So many useful tips for our listeners.
I loved it, Emily. We really want to help everyone learn English efficiently.
Yes. So, to our amazing listeners, remember our main message today. Don't waste your time. Use it to grow.
That's it. Every minute counts if you use it wisely.
And we would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below this episode. Tell us, how do you use your time to learn English smartly?
Yes, share your best tips. And if you liked this episode, please share it with your friends.
And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to Mr. English channel. We have new episodes every week to help you learn English with us.
Thank you so much for listening.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.